Welcome back. Let's learn how to master debt and reclaim your financial freedom. Debt is an enemy that you can overcome, but only if you know how to defeat it. This paradox claims that the more you borrow, the less interest you actually pay. This concept dominates the financial life of millions of borrowers globally. Debt management is the strategic allocation of resources to minimize total obligations. Imagine filling a bucket with every drop you throw in. The higher the flow, the more you need to catch. The total cost equals the principal multiplied plus interest plus compounding fees. Subtract the interest component from the principal to isolate the true repayment amount. If you borrow $10,000 at 5% interest for a year, you pay $500. The standard annual interest rate for most consumer loans in the United States is 14.5%. A log linear plot shows that the cost of borrowing accelerates significantly over a 30-year horizon. Transforming the future lump sum into equal monthly installments reveals a clearer picture of cash flow pressure. The Venn diagram illustrates the overlap between principal repayment and interest accumulation over the loan term. There are 5 common types of debt structures: installment loans, credit lines, bonds, mortgages, and loans. While investing uses interest to grow wealth, debt management uses interest to reduce the principal burden. High monthly payments cause borrowers to miss deadlines, which triggers penalties and higher fees. How many hours do you realistically spend each month managing your credit card balances? If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Neural